Hello, guys, and welcome to this episode of the basic skills you need to have theoretically as a data analyst to be able to solve problems, to be able to succeed in your career, right? And now we discuss about curiosity, having understanding context, and now we want to talk about the third one, which is technical mindset. Don't mind this particular rainbow color is my daughter's, and I want to actually basically use it to give you more clarity on what technical mindset is. As a data analyst, you need to have a technical mindset, and what it basically means is you have to have the experience of breaking down problems into logical steps, into categories, into basic steps, so that you don't just rush into solving the problem and at the end of the day you realize that your approach is very wrong. Now, technical mindset simply means if this is a whole problem, right, you need to first begin to break down the problem individually into basic steps, into basic logic process, so that you can be able to see the full scale of what you are facing, so that you know how you're going to arrange or how you're going to provide solution to that. And now, how does it apply to you as a data analyst? You have been given a problem to understand why a particular movie is not selling and why the revenue has not been achieved in the expected period of time. Given that problem is very broad, you need to narrow it down as to what you need to solve. So what is the expectation of the stakeholders? Do they want me to recommend new movie to them, or do they want me to recommend a solution going forward? Do they want me to find out if there is actually an administrative problem, a management problem, a customer support problem? So you need to find out what you are solving. Then you break it down into logical steps so that you can solve it bit by bit, and you get to understand the full scale of what you are facing. So technical mindset simply means your ability to break down problems into logical steps without having to rush into providing solution without clear context or clarity on what you are actually pursuing, right? So technical mindset is very, very important as a data analyst, and you need to understand that every day, so that you're not just going to be cleaning data, you're not going to just be analyzing data. And that is actually quite interesting, because once you have a technical mindset, you find out that at the end of the day of your analysis, you probably might not need a lot of tools to analyze the data. You might probably just stick to Excel without leveraging on Power BI, without leveraging on Tableau. You just probably will just use Excel graph or probably pivot table to just explain your findings. So technical mindset gives you more clarity as what you need to do, how you need to do it, and how you need to apply all those steps to solve that particular problem. Thank you very much, and I get to see you in the number 4 skill, which is data strategy, and how you need that as a data analyst to succeed in your journey. Get to see you next time. Bye.